Capacity Alert System. Goal. The goal of Smart Bus Capacity Alert System is to monitor and control the number of passengers overcrowding, passengers slowly and alert the driver.
Components and uses: address sensor to passengers entering and exiting. Arduino board. It works as a main microcontroller. Buzzer to alert the passengers. LCD display to show the seat availability on the bus by counting passengers by display. Servo motor to close the bus door automatically.
The LCD display shows the current passenger count and message like bus safe or bus full. When the passenger count reaches the limit, the red lights turn on and the buzzer sounds. And the LCD shows the message an alert like bus full. When the passenger count is below the limit, the green light stays on and the buzzer sound is off and the LCD shows safe to enter.
Prevents overcrowding. Improves passenger safety. Easy to understand and use. Works automatically.
Done.
Thank you.